name is Alinada binti Samsul and my metric number is 297260. Firstly, I would like to explain about the company background. Ashraf Puncak Teraju Enterprise, located at Complex Perniagaan Saga Alostar, has been providing high-quality stationery and office supplies since 2018. This Bumi Putra company, registered under Akta Pendaftaran Perniagaan 1965, is guided by its mission to maintain advanced and competitive achievement and its vision to lead in its field. Managed by Nurul Izzah binti Dawud and a dedicated team of 4. The company offers a range of products including papers, sound system, projector, office equipment and more. They accepting orders via call or email with a catalogue for customer reference. With branches in various states, Ashraf Puncak Teraju Enterprise continue to expand, aiming to achieve its goal through earnest and collaboration. Now, I am going to explain the context diagram related to the purchase and cash disbursement of Ashraf Puncak Teraju Enterprise. Firstly, purchase and cash disbursement, which shows the system in charge of managing purchases and payment within the company, are the primary element of this context diagram. The first externality is customer. The process begins when a customer sends a list order to the company. This order lists the item they want to purchase. The next externality entity is supplier. When the company agrees to the purchase, they send a purchase order to the supplier, confirming the details of the order. In return, the supplier sends a bill of order and an invoice. Cash disbursement system depicted in the center of the diagram. This system handles all the money transactions related to the order. It receives the purchase order and the invoice from the supplier. Additionally, it creates an inventory summary to keep track of all items ordered and received. Journal voucher is used to record the financial transaction internally. Finally, we have the external entity, which is general ledger. The general ledger acts like a comprehensive book that keeps all financial transactions accurate and up to date.
My metric number is 300449. I will be presenting a detailed overview of the expenditure cycle using the logical data flow diagram (DFD) displayed here. This DFD illustrated how data flow through different processes in expenditure cycle, ensuring effective management of inventory and accounts payable. Let's start by identifying the main entities involved in the expenditure cycle. First is customer. Initiates the process by placing an order. Second is supplier. Provide the necessary goods or material based on the purchase orders received. Third is store. The physical location where inventory is received or stored. Fourth is general ledger. The central repository for all approved financial transactions. Now let's examine the core process. Monitoring inventory records. This process involves keeping track of inventory levels. It utilizes vendor information such as name, address, and terms from the vendor file to maintain accurate record. When the inventory level drops, a purchase recognition is generated. Second is prepare purchase order. Based on the purchase recognition, a purchase order is prepared and sent to the supplier. This step is critical in ensuring timely replenishment of inventory. Third is prepare account payable. Upon receiving an invoice from the supplier, this process prepares the account payable. It involves updating the open or closed account payable file and creating a journal voucher. Fourth is update inventory receipt. When the order inventory is received, it is logged and updated in the inventory records. A receiving report is generated and filed for record keeping. Fifth is approved general record. This process involves reviewing and approving general entries before they are posted to the general ledger. An inventory summary is prepared and the approved general details are recorded in general ledger. Let's walk through the flow of information step by step. Customer interaction. The cycle starts when a customer place an order. This order is used to monitor and update inventory record, ensuring that we are aware of any inventory changes. Second is purchase order preparation. If any inventory level need replenishment, a purchase order is prepared and sent to the supplier. Third is supplier interaction. The suppliers receive the purchase order and send the request inventory along with an invoice. Fourth is account payable preparation. Upon receiving the invoice, the system prepare the accounts payable and generate a journal voucher, ensuring that all financial obligations are tracked. Fifth is inventory update. The received inventory is updated in the inventory record, and a receiving report is created to document the receipt of goods. Sixth is approval and record keeping. Finally, the journal records are reviewed and approved. Approved entry are posted to the general ledger, and the inventory summary is updated. In conclusion, this logical DFD ensures a seamless flow of information between various processes, helping maintain accurate inventory level and manage supplier interaction. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Aris Danish bin Muhammad Faisal, and I will discuss about the system project of Ashraf Puncak Teraju Sdn Bhd. First thing first, I will discuss about the inventory clerk responsibility, which the inventory clerk will receive the list order from the customer via email or phone call, and then the inventory clerk will find the valid vendors to supply the company needs, and then the inventory clerk also will prepare a purchase requisition upon approval of the list order, and then send the purchase requisition to the purchasing department. For the second process, the purchasing department are involved in the process, which the purchasing department will prepare 4 copies of the purchase order, the PO, and then distributing them to the supplier, receiving department, account clerk, and filing 1 copy within the department. The process will begin after the purchasing department receive the purchase requisition from the inventory clerk.
My name is Muhammad Idin bin Basri, matric number 300X71. I will discuss about system project of Ashraf Teraju Enterprise. Before this, my group mate has talked about the responsibility of inventory clerk and purchasing department. Next, I would like to present about the responsibility of receiving department and account clerk of Ashraf Teraju Enterprise. First thing first, receiving department will receive the purchase order documents from purchasing department. They will compare the purchase order and bill of order document to update the inventory received from the supplier. After the process, receiving department will make 2 documents, which is inventory summary and receiving report document. For receiving report, they will provide 4 copies of document. First copy will send to purchasing department, second copy receiving department will keep for themselves and filing it, third copy will send to the storekeeper, and last copy will send to account clerk. Lastly, the account clerk will receive 3 key documents, which is invoice and purchase order from purchasing department and receiving report from the receiving department. With these 3 types of document, account clerk will compare the invoice and receiving report to set up of account payable. After this process, they will defiling this account payable and prepare the general voucher document to post to general ledger. The account clerk also will receive the inventory summary document from receiving department and then will post to the general ledger. Thank you.